Hello everyone, I am Hrudai. So today I'm gonna talk about this Ho'oponopono session which I had taken previously, but today I'm gonna upload and show you the feedback which people have given me. One such feedback has changed their life. So go ahead and watch it right now. I'm also gonna watch it with you. So watch it right now. Let's go. And let me know one word. How are you feeling right now? Good to see your happy face. And it's great to have you here with me. And how are you feeling right now?
It's wonderful, wonderful.
Hello Gauri ma'am, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you.
Thank you. And how are you feeling?
Thank you
What
for
did
your
you
session.
realize?
I realized at your age, when you're doing such a thing, I have to attend this program. I just made my husband is leaving 2 years now. In spite of that, I stayed with you.
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah. I wanted to be in your session. That's why I just tell him, you just fresh up, let the cab come. You can get into the cab.
Great, thank you so much ma'am for that. And what is that one feeling that you got when you did this?
Wonderful feeling, I can say. So thank you. I have to thank you for this great session, what you have given us.
Thank you. Please
Where are
stay
you
till
from?
the end. I'm from Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. I'm from Hyderabad.
Good. Yeah, what do you do, ma'am?
I'm a doctor.
Oh. How was the video? It was an amazing video. I do think that you also think that it was an amazing feedback, right? So I want to welcome you to Ho'oponopono session, which will be happening very, very soon. So just click the link in the description and join the community group. What is so wrong that you can't join any community group? This is an Ho'oponopono session where it can release all your negative energy inside you and you will vibrate at the positive frequency. So join right now. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.